20 years back, we identified that there is a significant need to have this complex 5-axis technology to be reaching the users of the CAM software. And to fill that gap, we started with a philosophy of very strong collaboration with our industry partners. So we ask ourselves the question whether we should go for the end user market or whether we should do B2B collaborations, and we identified that collaboration will make us stronger. So we listened to partners, we offered our solution, and we built over 20 years very strong bonds between our customers and ourselves. And that resulted also in tremendously innovative products, which are now widely used. We have in some segments even 80% global market share. And that was possible because we said, let's develop the best toolpad technology and the best simulation technology and make these technologies affordable, usable, and accessible to the world market. And what does it mean? Accessible, affordable, usable. If you think about usability, it's important that complex technologies are made easily usable, and user experience is the key. But in order to give the users a perfect user experience, we know that tech companies spend tremendous amounts of energy and money to make very complex technologies very easy to use. And that's what we already did. We spent 1,500 man years of software development to make this complex 5-axis technology very usable. And accessible, we made the software by providing through our B2B partnerships to the whole market. So it's not only the people who need very complex parts who should be using technology. We aim that everybody having a 5-axis machine can benefit from it. So basically making it accessible in a broad scale through our license agreement with our partners, scale our business up. And affordable is also the key, because such complex technology that takes 1,500 man years to develop is very hard to make affordable. We could make it affordable by using the scale of economy. By basically having this 80% global market share, we were able to share the cost of development to all our partners, to the whole user base, which made the software affordable. So all in all, I'm very proud in 20 years anniversary we have this year, what we have achieved. I'm very proud about our partnership with our customers. I'm very proud about our employees. And I'm very proud also that the end users gives us the feedback that they like the technology and they would like to have more. And that gives us the hope and the wish to do more in the next coming years. Thank you very much.